literally doing Vail, middle of the city, Oro Valley.
Yeah.
Apex worldwide.
We're all over the city.
Hey everyone, it's Drew and Tyler with the Apex team. We just wanted to personally invite you all to come check out one of our open houses or all of our open houses this weekend. We have a couple going on. We've got a lot of listings right now. So 2202 E Drachman St in the Blemenel neighborhood. That one's gonna be open from 12 to 3 p.m. And also on Sunday, I'm gonna be down in Vail holding open our listing at 9761 South Spider Rock Road. That one's gonna be open from 12:30 to 3. Tyler's gonna talk to you guys about the one that he's holding open up in Oro Valley.
I'm gonna be up in Oro Valley on Sunday from 11 to 3. It's at 11610 North Copper Springs in the Copper Creek subdivision, one of my favorite parts of Oro Valley up there. Come up and see me. It's a beautiful home, great price.
Absolutely, guys. So if you or anyone you know is interested in buying, selling, or investing, or you want to just come check out one of our open houses, please contact us. We have a lot of listings right now, a lot of buyers right now, and we would love to meet with you guys and fit you guys in. Thanks.
On Saturday.
I don't even know.
I got gas in the tank.